Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the control panel on our watch, and to do it you need to press the lower button right here. After you press the button, the control panel will open, and here you can scroll through the list of options by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and as you can see right now it's off. But if you want to turn it on, the mode, tap on it and the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. As you can see, it changed to on, and then you can press the middle button, no, not middle button, my bad, lower button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, of course you need to press the lower button to open the control panel. Scroll through the options, find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it to disable the option or the mode, and then press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.